Good morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. But this lesson is about an India born astronaut, Kalpana Chawla. She was a woman of great courage, and this lesson describes her extraordinary achievements. But we know Kalpana Chawla basically was the second astronaut of India origin in space. First astronaut in India was Rakesh Sharma. After Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla got a chance to visit the space, and she was from a small town, Karnal. Her first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was successful, but the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. See the next page, beta. A news report. Beta, here a news report is given. It is about the tragedy of second Columbia mission. Tragedy in space, US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Beta, total number of astronauts in second mission. How many total members? One is Kalpana Chawla and 6 others. Means total members 7. And beta, when Columbia broke into flames? On Saturday, 1st February 2003, and killing all 7 on board. Clear? The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am, and height at which it lost contact, height was 2 lakh feet. And beta, when did Columbia go up into space? On 16 January 2003. And when it broke on? 1st February. Clear? These two dates. And beta, number of days Columbia stayed in space? 16 days. And number of experiments done by the scientists in second Columbia mission? 80 experiments. Clear, beta? Now, beta, read this news report and try to solve exercise B on page 51. This is page 51 and this is B exercise, beta. Try to solve this with the help of news report. Clear? Now, beta, see the reading of first paragraph. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. But frontiers means borders, boundaries. Clear? जो बेटा कल्पना चावला थी, शी वॉज बॉर्न इन करनाल, हरियाणा. As a child, she had never dreamed of going into space and cross the borders of space. But she did her schooling from Tagore School, Haryana, and her parents allowed her only to attend an engineering college after completing graduation from Tagore School. Clear? Second paragraph. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. But a launch pad means the platform from where the spacecraft is sent up. Cheered means happy. And lift off, go up in the space. Blast off, shot up in the sky. But Kalpana Chawla's father did not want her to study further. But against her father's will, she completed her Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering. Then she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. And she later completed her PhD in aerospace engineering. But Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to shoot up from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in successful space mission. And she became the first Indian woman to go into space from Florida. Her family and staff cheered her up at the Kennedy Space Center as they were watching the Columbia go up in the space. See the third paragraph. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. And she was also a certified flight instructor. But Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana. And so, by birth, she was citizen of India. During aeroplane training, she married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. And thus, later, she became a US citizen. But so, we called her an Indian American woman. Clear? But she learned to fly all kinds of airplanes like single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. And she got a license to fly. These airplanes she learned to fly. And she became a flight instructor. Clear? After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. But after getting qualified to be a pilot, she later apply to NASA space shuttle program. And beta there was she was hired as a research scientist at NASA. And in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Clear? Fourth paragraph. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. But encouraged means gave support. बेटा when asked her, जब उससे पूछा गया कि she is woman in her field and how she feel, कि वो अपनी फील्ड में एक वुमेन है तो वो कैसा फील करती है, तो she replied, she answered, I really never thought while doing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or different country. And she said, I also had my dreams and like others, and I followed my dreams and got my dreams. And she said, those people who were around me gave me support and they said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Means कि तुम्हें वो ही करना चाहिए जो तुम करना चाहती हो. और I did the same. Clear बेटा? Thank you.